simplest form and find the value of x. So here we can observe there is a variable present here, and there is a variable and constant in the variable, and on both the sides we have variables and constants. So we need to simplify this by taking the variables and constants separately. So let's separate the variables and constants using the reducing and transposing method. Let's separate variables and constants. So here x plus 7 minus 8x by 3. There is two variables are present in this. So let's take these two variables the same as it is, x minus 8x by 3. Here there is minus 5x by 2. Let's take the left hand side. It becomes 5x by 2 is equals to, here the right hand side we have 17 by 6, and when we take this 7 to right hand side it becomes minus 7. So what we understood here is we took all the variables one side of the equation, that is x minus 8x by 3 and minus 5x by 2, and taken to left hand side we get plus, that is plus 5x by 2, and we have to take this one 17 by 6 and plus 7 change to minus 7. So to solve this equation, let us follow the property or the rule by taking all the denominators equal. Then we can simplify the numerators. So here the denominators are not equal. 1, 3, 2, and here 1, 6. So the LCM of this 1, 3, 2 is 6, and here 6, 1, also 6. So let's take LCM for the left hand side and right hand side on both the sides. So here x by 1 minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2 is equals to 17 by 6 minus 7 by 1. So when we are taking LCM here, 6, LCM is 6. So here one table 6 will be getting 6 by 6, and this is 3 table 2 by 2, and 2 table will be getting 3 by 3 because we need to get 6 here. So we need to multiply with 6 the numerator and denominator, and we need to get 6. So 2 by 2 we have taken. We need to get 6. So 3 by 3 we have taken here. So these are the numbers we have taken: 6 by 6, 2 by 2, and 3 by 3 to get LCM of 6. So here also 1 by 1 and 6 by 6. So we'll get the LCM of 6 there. 6 by 6 and 1 by 1. So here is that the numerators will simplify because the denominator becomes equal. So let's see, here 6 and 6x minus 6, 16x plus 6 and 15x. Here 6, 17 and 42 by 6. So all the denominators we got equally. So when the denominators are equal, we can add and subtract the numerators. So let's take the denominator as 6. The numerators are 6x minus 16x plus 15x is equals to 6, 17 minus 42. So let's see these values here. 15 plus 6 is 21. So 21x minus 16x divided by 6 we got here. 21x minus 16x divided by 6. So here this value is added, and once minus value we have, that is 16x divided by 6. And when we subtract these two numbers, 35. So it becomes 25. So x minus 25 by 6. So we have taken the subtraction of it. We got minus 25 by 6. So when we transpose this 6 to right hand side, it becomes numerator. So numerator and denominator, it will be cancelled. So let's cancel directly on both the sides of equation. 6 and 6 is getting cancelled because 1 divided by 6, and we have taken to numerator. When we transpose this 6 to right hand side, so it becomes 6 by 1, 6 by 6. So 6 get cancelled. So let's simplify this. This 21x minus 16x is equals to minus 25. So here 4 plus 1, 5. So 5x is equals to minus 25. So x is equals to minus 25 divided by 5. So x is equals to minus 5. So therefore the value of x is minus 5 after solving this equation. So x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 by 8. Here, when we use the rule of transposition, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition, and multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. So when we transpose this 2x plus 3 to right hand side, because this is under division, and when we transpose this to right hand side, it becomes multiplication. So let's transpose this 2x plus 3. So x plus 1 is equals to 3 by 8 into 2x plus 3. Now 2x plus 3 we have taken here. So we can observe that x plus 1 and 3 by 8 into 2x plus 3. So there is a fraction. To take out this fraction, let's take this 8 to left hand side, so that we can multiply x plus 1 and it becomes a whole number. So let's transpose this 8 to this side. So it's a division. So division it changes to multiplication. So 8 into x plus 1 is equals to 3 into 2x plus 3. The reason of we have transposed this 8 because when it is in fraction, so we cannot multiply. When we multiply with this, it cannot be cancelled. So to cancel that, and to become whole number, we transpose this 8 to the left hand side part, and this denominator part to get the x value and change the variables and constants. We change this to this side. So here we can observe there is a distributive rule, distributive property. So the 8 is distributed to these two terms and 3 is also distributed to these two terms. So let's distribute 8 into x plus 8 into 1, 3 into 2x plus 3 into 3. So we get 8x plus 8. 8x plus 8 is equals to 6x plus 9. So using the rule of transposition, let's transpose. Let's change the variables and constants. So when we transpose this 6x to left hand side, it is minus 6x. Transpose this into right hand side, minus 8 because we need to separate the variables and constants. So here 8x minus 6x is equals to 9 minus 8. So here 8 we transpose minus 8, 6x we have transpose minus 6x. So here 8x minus 6x, when we subtract 2x we get, and that is 1, and 2x is nothing but 2 into x. So it's in multiplication, multiplication changes to division. So x value is equals to 1 divided by 2. So finally, after solving this equation, x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 by 8. The value of x is 1 by 2. Equation reducible to linear form. Let's take one of the example. 2016 x by 2017 is equals to 2016 by 2017 plus 1. So we need to find out the value of x here. So let's take the question. 2016 x divided by 2017 is equals to 2016 by 2070 plus 1. So 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. So we need to take the LCM of the denominators because here the denominators are different. So when we have taken the LCM for the denominators, so it becomes 2070. So let's multiply by 2070 for numerator and denominator. So 2070 by 2070. So here we got 2070 is an LCM. So let's multiply this one. So right hand side part becomes 2060 by 2070 plus 2070 by 2070 after taking the LCM part. So here we can observe that it is the same denominators. So we can add the numerators. So 2070 the denominator. Let's add the numerators 2060 plus 2070. So when we add these two numerators, we'll get 4033 by 2070. So this is the part we have simplified on right hand side of the equation. So let's take the left hand side part, that is 2060 x by 2070. So let's write the same thing, 2060 x by 2070. 2060 x divided by 2070. So we need to find out the value of x. So to find out the value of x, let us use the rule of transposition, that is multiplication changes to division and division changes to multiplication. So transpose this 2070 to right hand side because multiplication. So let's transpose this. So 2060 x is equals to 4033 by 2070. So we have transposed this 2070 makes the division, it becomes multiplication. So it becomes into 2070. So after that, it is the numerator part and denominator is nothing but 1. So cancel this 2017. After transposition, we got numerator and denominator, we cancel. So we got here is 2016 x is equals to 4033. So here we need to find out the value of x. It's under multiplication. 2016 is under multiplication. Let's transpose this multiplication to right hand side part. So x value is equals to 4033. It becomes division divided by 2016. So the value of x is equals to 4033 by 2016. So after reducing this in the equation into linear equation, we got this is the answer.